Can you hear me okay, Alan? Okay.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi, hi. I'm not in my normal meeting space, so yeah, forgive me, I'm on my phone actually.
It's okay.
How are you doing?
Yeah. Still a bit sleepy from my all my traveling, but I'm back from Sudbury. Had a lovely time up there. Have you been to Sudbury?
Yeah, a while ago, like not recently. What were you
Yeah.
doing there?
Well, I was catching up with a friend there. His father passed away earlier this year, and he's based up there with his elderly mother. And yeah, just giving him some moral support and yeah, there's some great charity shops up there. I don't know if you like going to charity shops, but there's some great charity shops up there and the markets and that. There's some wonderful villages nearby as well. So
Sounds beautiful.
it was just nice to get away, really.
Yeah, and you're in Stratford, are you?
No, I'm in a wonderful place called Croydon.
Okay, where's that?
It's in the southeast in
Okay.
Surrey. Yeah,
Okay, yeah. Nice.
yeah. It's not far from London on the train. It's about 20 minutes or something. Yeah.
That's great. Alan, are you um there's Kate and Sally. I can't see anybody, but Alan, are you there now? It's just me and you and Sally. Have a look.
I can't hear Alan. Has he got
No,
mute on?
I can't see because I'm on my phone.
Uh,
Let me see here.
Yeah,
right.
I think you muted Alan somehow.
Yeah, this
Let's have a look.
Yeah.
So Anna, how are you?
Yeah, I'm all right, thank you. Saturday, busy week, busy, good busy. We had quite a few things going on. Um, there were quite a few leads passed our way, so it's now the exciting time of making it. I mean, uncover the truth, you know? Would it work? Would it not? Under what circumstances? So yeah, all good.
Great. Can everyone hear me now?
Yes.
You're
Yeah,
echoing.
that's good. I'll stay on the phone. I don't know
You're
what's gone wrong with
echoing,
the
Alan.
computer.
Alan, you're echoing.
Okay, what I better do then is leave this meeting. I better make sure I claim the host first. Just bear with me a minute. If I log out, I'm going to stop the call. Sorry about this.
I was interested in your comments, Louise, on Thursday about um, suggesting ChatGPT for some guidance on sort of target areas and that. Is that something you've done yourself, I take it?
Well, yeah, I mean, you can, I mean, obviously you have to do due diligence with ChatGTP because it's not,
Sure. It does make mistakes, doesn't it?
yeah,
Yeah.
it does make mistakes, it does make things up. But I think for some